I just finished building a simple budget app in Python, and I want to quickly explain what I learned, like I'm teaching it to myself. So, the project is about managing budgets for different categories like food or clothing, and I made a class called category, and each category keeps a ledger, which is just a list of transactions, basically deposits and withdrawals. So the deposit method here adds money to the ledger, which was um, assigned at the beginning of the class. And the withdrawal method removes money, but only if there's enough balance. And the balance is actually um, the operation between deposit and withdrawal. So at the at the beginning, the balance will be zero. Okay, so um, so if if the balance is enough to for the withdrawals, it will turn it will return true. Otherwise false. So I also added a get balance method here to calculate the current balance by summing all amounts in the ledger. Then I made a transfer method that moves money from one category to another and records the transaction in both ledgers. Uh, and I also built a track funds method that helps other methods to know if there's enough money. And for the output, I overrode the string method. So printing a category shows a clean method, uh, shows a clean summary, and the category name center in stars. Transaction lists are formatted properly and a total. So lastly, I made a create spend chart which shows how much was spent in each category using a vertical text-based bar chart. And I learned how to round values, align text, and format strings neatly. And I used rstrip to clean up trailing spaces and new lines. So, um, the code can be accessed via my GitHub link, which is will be dropped in my YouTube video description. So here are some tests that you can see the results. So as for test one, you can see here test two, test three, and finally we can see the span chart, which has the columns as made out from the old characters. Okay, so that's it. A small but powerful project. Thank you for your attention.